Hi everyone, so today I'm sharing with you my skincare and makeup essentials that I carry to work, or also you can carry it to college. So this is my kit, workwear kit that I use. This is of course a bag of some month. So I actually prefer using a beige kind of a black or a black kind of a earthy color bag to be used for work and for college because it attracts less attention. But that's just me. If you feel like taking a hot pink bag also, it's your identity totally. So but this is my bag. This is the size that it has. It's pretty small, so you can fit in a purse as well. So I'll just share my contents with you. So I'm starting with the makeup essentials that I carry. So first of all, I think all of us should carry a compact in our makeup bags. So this is a basic Lakme compact which is there. This is the most basic one that used to come. So this is the one that I have. It matches my skin tone of course, and it has a mirror which can double up anytime if you need one. But mostly in work you would have the mirror, but in any case if you need one. So this is first thing. Secondly, you must carry a concealer with you. I carry Lotus Herbals concealer in my shade. This is Lotus Herbals Natural Blend Swift Makeup, and this is in SPF 15. Now I would say that it's not necessary that the concealer that you use in the morning only you have to carry at work, because anyways it will be on your dresser and you might forget keeping it in your work bag. So I always carry a different concealer only in my makeup bag. Can be of same or different brand, so that's how it is. Then thirdly, I carry a BB cream. This is the Pond's BB cream. This is my favorite. This is my holy grail. Been using it for some time, and this is the only BB cream that I use actually whenever I need to use it. Then you must of course carry a lipstick. I would say you carry a nude shade, because nudes go with mostly all colors. This is Candy Rose by Color Bar that I'm carrying right now. So because it's summers, it's really good. The rose pink lipsticks mostly go with everything. That's why I'm carrying it. And I carry a kajal. So this is a kajal stick that I carry. This is by Nelf. So this is not the regular Iconic or Maybelline Colossal that I carry. This is just one kajal that I carry in my makeup bag just in case if I need to touch up. Mostly I do not touch up my kajal at work. So these are, I guess, yes, the makeup essentials that are in my bag. Next will be the skincare essentials. So the skincare essentials in my bag are these ones. So first of all, I keep a makeup cleanser by Soultree. This mostly I have a bigger bottle, I have 150 ml bottle at home, and this is the one that I carry to work. So this is a 30 ml bottle. Yes, this is 30 ml. So makeup cleanser is anyways required, because if you want to touch up something, it's necessary. Secondly, of course, everybody keeps a chapstick or a lip balm. I mostly keep one in my makeup bag and one in my purse just to be, sure. Double sure of it. So this is the second one. Thirdly, I feel that everyone should carry a face wash. This is from Garnier. This is just because it's a travel size, that's why I've kept it. I mostly use the Body Shop Tea Tree one, that face wash, but this is something that I keep in my bag. Fourthly, you must carry a day cream. So I use this one by Plum. I got this as a samples from somewhere. But you must carry a day cream. Also, just in case if you want to touch up your hands, this can double up as a hand cream also. Mostly I do not use this as a hand cream, but any which ways. I keep a hand cream separately in my purse, but this also doubles up as a hand cream if I need it in, the ladies' room, just in case. And fifth, last but not the least, I carry a sunscreen. This is the Bioderma SPF 50. I'm carrying this of course because of its size, so whenever I require it, I can touch this up. These are my skincare essentials. Next will be my nail essentials. So these are my nail care essentials of course. I keep a nail clipper just for, a broken nail or any kind of an emergency. I keep this clipper. This also has a file at the back, a makeshift file at the back, so just in case I need that. I keep nail polish remover pads. So previously I used to keep a bottle until I found this in one of the vanity stores nearby only. So I use these. These are 10 pads. I've used 2 of them, so still 8 are left. And I have, replacements of these. These are not very expensive, and these can come as great, remover pads just in case you need them, and they're easy to carry. And I carry a nude nail polish. This is by L18 Nail Pops in the shade number 63. As you can see, this is a beige kind of a color, and it's very, very small, so I can keep it very easily. I make sure that I'm keeping only, even less than travel sizes, literal sample sizes in my bag. So this is one color. I mostly keep nude lipsticks and nude nail paints because they go with any kind of outfit, at least in my work bag, because of course it can go with any outfit, and whenever I need to touch up I can do that. So these are my nail essentials. Next are some of the basic hygiene essentials that I keep. So the first one is a sample size tester perfume. So whenever I feel that I'm not smelling my best, I just reapply this kind of perfume. This is Evoke EDP by All Good Scents. I got a scent box basically, so I got this tester in it, and it's the perfect size to carry, so I just carry it in my makeup bag. Then I carry a pack of wet wipes. This I don't remember where I got it, but I've kept it in my bag. Somehow I've never had to use a wet wipe in office. I mostly use the tissue and it does the job. And I have a small kit like this. This has, as you can see, safety pins, bobby pins, a hair tie, and some tissue, cotton, and Q-tips. One of which is dirty. I have to replace it. So I mostly keep this kind of a pouch in my work bag also. Because yeah, these are all the things that it carries. These are things that you won't get at work. Mostly a tissue you can get, but I carry a separate one as well. And these are things that create emergency at work if you don't have a hair tie, or if you don't have a safety pin or a bobby pin. So that's why I carry it in a separate pouch. Then of course I carry a comb. I do not like carrying the small combs because my hair are pretty dense, so I carry this bigger comb, which is smaller in the length, but then it's having like, what shall I say, strong bristles. That's how I like my combs to be. Then I keep, of course, a clutcher. I have a hair tie in my hygiene kit only, but I keep a clutcher handy as well. And this is something that I carry. So this is actually a clear polythene which is carrying one pair of long earrings. You would have seen me wearing these in some of my videos. These are my go-to long earrings. And one pair of studs. So I'll show you the studs also, how they're looking. These are my studs. Oops, I dropped one. Yeah, so this is the stud that I have. I mostly keep these, and these are pretty generic in nature. So just in case I've forgotten my earrings, or I did not like wearing my earrings, but just in the evening I have to go out, I just dab on these pair of long earrings just to dress up my look. And excuse me, just in case I have to come back to work, and if I'm not wearing any earrings or something of that sort, I use these studs wherever. So actually my colleagues know it. So if I'm wearing any of these earrings, they're like, have you come from work, or have you were you not wearing your earrings in the morning? So I would actually suggest replacing them every month, otherwise you will face a similar problem. But I really don't care. But just in case if you care. I keep my Iba Halal face spray in my purse only. But just in case if you want to carry a face spray, also a face mist, you can carry one in your purse. That's one, what shall I say, advice that I have. Also, I carry my band-aids in my wallet, because everywhere I go my wallet is there, and band-aids are something that should be there with you every day. But you can carry one in your makeup and skincare bag as well. So this is what I feel is required for college or for work, this much makeup. I don't use that much any which ways. In case you have any more suggestions, please do tell me. Please do leave them in the comment section. Also tell me how you liked my makeup bag video. So this is all I have for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.